Hello students. In the last class we had seen how to read and write larger numbers. There are two ways. First one Indian system and second one international system of numeration. We have already discussed about Indian system of numeration. So today we are going to discuss about international system of numeration. So let's start. International system of numeration. Here are the values of places in given which we have to use in international system. So values of the places in the international system of numerations are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then million, 10 millions, after this billion, 10 millions and so on. So we will see the place value chart. Following place value chart can be used to identify the digit in any places in the international system. You can see this one is the place value chart with periods and places. Periods means billions, millions, thousands and ones. And which are the places in these four periods? So we can see in ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Again ones, tens, hundreds, and million also ones, tens, hundred with billion same. Now we will see these are the periods and places we are using for writing the number. Now we have to see use of commas. How to place the commas in international system. So as per international system, commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every three digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks million. We are always placing the commas after three digits from the right or from the back. Let us understand by one example. For example, the number 10101592. This one here we have to use commas. So we know that after every three digits from the right we are placing the comma. So from the right means from here 1 2 3 then comma, again we have to count three digits 1 2 3 then comma and 1 2. So in international system S. Now we'll see how to write. Here it will be as 10. Sorry, it is written as M, but it will be 10 only. You can see 1 0 means 10 million, 101 means 101 and the place of it is 1000. So 101,592. This one we have written in international system. Now if you want to write the same number in Indian system, so we will see how to write this one. In international Indian system, we are using only ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then lakh and crore. So we can write here we have to place commas after every three digits from the right and second comma will come after two digits. So 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,592. Now we will proceed to our next exercise, exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Here 1 lakh is equal to how many 10,000? So let us see. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. 10,000 means first we'll write 10 as in number. So 10 into 1000 means 1,000,000. And we know that 1 lakh has how many zeros? Total 5 zeros. And out of 5 zeros, how many zeros are given? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many zeros we needed to make a lakh? Only 1 zero. Means if you multiply 10,000 by 10, we will get 1 lakh. So here in place of this blank, here it will come as 10. Second one, 1 million is equal to how many 100,000? First we will see how many zeros are given in the question. Here 100,000 means 100 means 100, 1000 means 1,000,000. And we know that million has how many zeros? Total 6 zeros. And how many zeros are given? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 1 zero we needed to make 1 million. So again we multiply by 10. So 1 million is equal to 10 100,000. Next one, 1 crore is equal to how many? 10 lakh. First we will write 10 means 1 0 into lakh has how many zeros? Total 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 crore has total 7 zeros. Already 6 are given. So we need only 1 0, so you multiply by 10. So answer will be 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. Fourth one, 1 crore is equal to how many million? In question number C, it is given as 10 lakh. Same here, 1 crore, we have to see how many million is equal to 1 crore. And million has how many zeros? Total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 crore has 7 zero. So again we need only one more zero to make us crore. Next one, 1 million is equal to how many lakh? Lakh has total 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And million has 6 zeros. So again, as previous question, we will multiply by 10 in lakh to get 1 million. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. I hope you have understood this question. Now, we will use Indian and international system in this question. Question number 2. Please commas correctly and write the numeral for each of the following. First one, 37,999. So first we will write the number for this following. So 37,999. 37 means 37, then 999 means 999. After this we will place the commas. You can see that here it is given in thousand and hundred. It means it is given in Indian system. So we will place the commas after every 3 digits from the right after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 37. So it is 37,999. Next one, 60,005. 60 means 60, 1000. 1000 has how many zeros? 30. So after 60 we have to write 30 and one more number is given here 5. So third place in the last will write as 5. So 60 60005. Now again we have to put the comma. So in both the system we are placing the commas after 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3. Here we have placed the commas. So 60,005. Third, 9,10,205. 9 lakh means 9. 10,000 means 10. 205. So 205. Here you can see that it is given in lakh. It means it is given in Indian system. So in Indian system, first comma we are placing after 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3. And second comma after 2 digits. So 1, 2. Then comma. So you can see that 9,10,205. According to Indian system, we have to place the commas. You can see that it is given in lakh. And lakh is we are using in only Indian system. Fourth one. 75,30,209. 75 means we have to write 75, then 30,000 means 30, 209, 209. Here again you can see it is given in lakh. It means it is in Indian system. So again we will place the comma after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3 and second comma after 2 digits. So 1, 2. So 75,30,209. Fifth one, 9 crore 99 lakh 10,008. 9 crore means 9, 99 we have to write 99, 10,000 means 10 and 8. Here why we have taken 2 zeros? Because 10,000 means 10 comma 3 zeros and here it is given only single digit means 8. So in place of last zero we have to write here 8. Now again it is given in crore. Crore means Indian system. So according to Indian system, we will place first comma after 3 digits and second and next commas after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, 3 then comma, then we'll place the comma after 2 digits. 1, 2 again after 2 digits. So 9 crore 99 lakh 10,008. Now next one, 12,045,953. Here you can see it is given million. Million means international system. So first we'll write the numbers. 12 million means 12. 45,000. We know that in million how many zeros are there? Total 6 zeros are there. So for writing 45,000 we have to put 0 before 45. So 0, 4, 5. then 963, so 953. You can see here 12,045,953. It is given in million. It means it is an international system. So 1, 2, then 12,012,000, 45 means 45, 953 means 953. Now we'll place the commas according to international system. And we know that according to international system, we are placing the commas after every 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3, then again 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. Next one, 55,512,888. 55 million means 55, 512 means 512, 888. So 888. Now we'll place the commas. Here you can see, here also it is given in million. It means in international system. So we'll place the commas after every 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. Next one, 99,105,666. 99. Then 105 means 105. 666 means 6, 6 and 6. Again it is given in million. It means international system. So according to international system, 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. Next one, 3,009,000 and 24,786. Here you can see that these are also given in million. It means you have to place the commas. First you have to write the numbers. After writing the numbers, you have to place the commas after every 3 digits from the right. So these type questions are your homework. Now, next question, question number 3. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. Here numbers are given and first we have to place the commas. After placing the commas, we have to write the name according to Indian system. So 730050. According to Indian system, we know that we are placing the commas, first comma after every 3 digits from the right and second comma after every 2 digits. So first we'll place the commas. So 1, 2, 3, then after 2 digits 1, 2. Now we'll write its name according to Indian system. So in Indian system, how we are writing ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It means 7,30,050. Next one, 808085. Again we'll place the commas after every 3 digits from the right, first comma and second comma after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, then 1. So we will see its places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It means 8 lakh 8,085. 8 lakh 8,085. Then third one, 4324019. Again we place the commas after every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, then after 2 digits. 1, 2, then 1, 2. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means 43 lakh 24,019. Next one, 18765241. According to Indian system, again we are placing the commas after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3, then second comma and next commas after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It means 1 crore 87 lakh 65,241. Then 560-70815 and last one 121-5776. This number also we have to put the commas according to Indian system and write its number names. So these 2 questions are your homework. Then next question number 4. Insert commas suitably and write according to the international system. Here we have to place the commas according to international system, and we know that in international system we are placing the commas after every 3 digits from the right. So 789111023, 78 9111023. So we are placing the commas after every 3 digits from the right or from the back. So 1, 2, 3. Next comma also after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Then the remaining digits. So we know that how we are using the places: ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million. It means 78,911,000, then 23. Here we are taking the places of ones, tens and hundred. So here we are writing 911, then after last we are writing 1000. We can understand by second example: 84803264. Again we are placing the commas after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. We can see its places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. It means 848. First we will write using 100. 848, then last million. Same here, 32,460. 464. Then third one, 6543227. Its solution is, again we have to place the commas after 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then the remaining digits. So we will see its places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So 6,543 means 543,000, then 227. Fifth one, 100,100,100. Same will place the commas after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. You can see that ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. It means 100 million. Then its place is 1001. So 100,000 and 100. Last one, 31424653. This one also you have to use commas according to international system, and you have to write the name according to the its system on it. So this one question also as your homework. Now we'll see the last question, question number 5. Write each of the following number in expanded form. As you have studied about this expanded form in your lower classes also, let us see once again. Expanded form means writing its place value, the numbers with its place value. First one, 31453. So what is the place value of 3? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 means it is at the place of 10,000. Or we can write that after 3, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means after 3 we have to place how many zeros? 4 zeros. Then plus. Second digit is 1. After 1, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. It means we have to place 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Plus. Next digit is 4. It is on 100 place, means after this how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So we have to put 2 zeros. Plus. Same for 5. It has only one number after this, so only 1 0 we have to put. 50, and last one 3. It is at ones place. So this one is the expanded form. Expanded form means we have to write all the digits with its place value. Same second one, 631453. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 6 here. Its place value is of 6 lakh. Means after this how many zero numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many zeros we have to put? Total 5 zeros. Plus next number is 3. It has 4 zeros after 3. 4 numbers after 3. So we have to put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus next digit after 3 is 1. After 1 it has 3 digits. So we have to put how many zeros? 3 zeros. Next one 4. 4 is at 100 place, means 400. Plus 5. 5 is at tens place, so 50. Plus and last one 3 at ones place, means 3 into 1, or we can write it as 3. Same last one, 88473228. You have to do this question like this, which we have done as one and second one. You have to write its place value, every digit's place value, and you can write in an expanded form. So now we will do the next questions in our next